Hello everyone, Wizard of Cause here. Welcome to video 2 from our series entitled Making Cryptocurrency for Free, Preparing for the Dollar Collapse. Now this is video 2 of our series, and we'll be focusing in this video on our main tool that we'll be using to generate your cryptocurrency. Now in the last video, you've learned what cryptocurrency is and how beneficial it will be in a times of economic turmoil or economic collapse, which is definitely going to happen in the near future. Also, even without the collapse, cryptocurrency has a lot of value, and it can be traded in for your current money, a US dollar, or whatever currency that you operate under. So there's value there. So essentially, what you're doing right now is just making money. So you're preparing for the future and making money at the same time via cryptocurrency. Now our main program that we'll be using to generate cryptocurrency is called Cointiply. It will be our main tool used to generate cryptocurrency, and it generates it in Bitcoin. Now the first step is to click on the link that was provided for you below. That's our referral link. It'll get you to this program, this web page, and do it on a desktop or a laptop or a tablet if you have it, and use the web browser to do this. So click on the link and then go ahead and register. So just enter your email address, and you'll have to put in a password, and then you'll have to confirm that in your email. It's a completely free program, and I'm going to show you how to use this to get started in making cryptocurrency. Okay, so once you're logged in by using that link below, you will get to a page similar to this. Now, don't worry, it'll look kind of confusing in the beginning, but you have access to trainers and we're going to help you. So down below we have our Discord channel, and once you click that link and get onto the Discord server, you'll see on the welcome page our training times. So we have 2 different training times available for you. What you'll do is you'll come back about 10 on that date and time about 10 minutes early to set up so that we can train you on how to use the advanced features of this program. But I'm going to show you how to use the simple features or the less advanced features that'll get you started. So before we get into some of the ways to earn coins, I'm going to take you and just show you some of the earnings that I have done personally, and that to reassure to you that this is not a scam site. It is completely legitimate. So if you look up here, and I'm going to magnify this for you, if you look up here, you see that I have some coins. So 322,860 coins, right? And beside that, and this is the coin system that Cointiply uses, so it's their own internal coin system, and you get coins for doing everything, and I'll show you some simple ways you can make coins. But here you see the equivalent dollar figure. Now this is a US dollar figure to the coins, and then right after the dollar figure you have the equivalent in Bitcoin, and this fluctuates based on what the Bitcoin is worth that day, but there I have my Bitcoin amount. Now I've had a lot more, but I've withdrawn quite a bit, and I'm going to show you that as well. So I'm going to click on activity and payments, and I'm going to go to my payment history. And you can see that I have made some withdrawals. I have withdrawn 6 times, each time for 50,000 coins, which is about $5 into my wallet, my secure local wallet. Now I'm going to show you that how to use wallets in subsequent videos, but for now you just need to know that this is not a scam. It's completely legitimate, and I'm going to show you how to make a nice, steady, passive income using it. So as you can see, I've withdrawn about 6 times and about $5 each time. So it's like $30 US that I've already withdrawn to my wallet, and I have an additional $32 here. So, and this is all in about a month, and I haven't really been using it that much. But I did use it pretty hardcore the first week I got on here because I really wanted to take it for a spin so I can help you guys understand this. I see a lot of people coming on here daily and not knowing what to do. Well, since you are my referral, I want to help you earn. Now there is some benefit to me as well. Obviously, you're my referral and I get a percentage. And I'm going to explain all that in subsequent videos. But I do legitimately want to help people get cryptocurrency and prepare for the future. That is kind of my passion going forward in life. So the first thing you need to do to earn coins is very simple. Is click on Earn Coins and then click on Roll the Faucet. Now you see here, this is a faucet, Cointiply faucet. Now there are many faucets that you could use, and I'm going to teach you about some other ones in other videos. But this is by far the best faucet around. And don't mind the little rain icon here. That's kind of an advanced feature that I can teach you about on our Discord channel. But the faucet is really nice because you can get some easy coin and you can roll it every hour. Now a faucet is just a term for a stream of money. So it's just kind of trickling down a faucet, a stream of faucet to earn cryptocurrency. So I'm going to click on Roll and Win. And I'm going to click the CAPTCHA, and hopefully I don't have to solve it. But sometimes you do, and I don't this time. I'm going to click Submit. And there's what I rolled. 22 coins, and I earned 7 bonus coins. Now, you're not going to really earn any bonus coins when you first start out because you're going to need some to build up your loyalty, and I'll explain that to you. Loyalty, you get loyalty by logging in once a day and generating at least 1 coin. And that would be the easiest way to do that is roll the faucet. So you roll the faucet daily, you will get 1% loyalty bonus. As you can see here, my bonus is 30%, which is about 30 days worth of logging in every day. Now, if you miss a day, you get reset back to 0. So if I miss tomorrow, I'll be back at 0 loyalty, and I will not have gotten those extra 7 coins. So it's important to log in every day, at least once, and roll the faucet. It's just an easy way to make coin. And you do that while you're waiting to join our Discord channel, which the links will be down below. Now, it's important to note as well that there are limited spots available on the Discord channel. So you want to make sure that you log into the server, get prepared, look at the training times, mark it in your calendar, and try to be there about 10 minutes early. So you get through some technical glitches and make sure you're ready to go. And you're going to need the code that's provided as well down below. That code will allow you to get onto our training channel. So once you used our Discord link down below, verified your training, what training dates work for you. There'll be 2 provided, and hopefully one works within your schedule. You'll have also your code, your training code will be provided as well down below, and then we'll be able to help you with the advanced features of the site and how to really maximize your potential on it and earn that passive income. And I've shown you some proof. I've done it. Some pretty good coin for just spending a few minutes a day for the last 30 days. I have about 60 to, is it 65 US dollars I've made. So I can make a lot more if I put a lot more time, and I plan to. And that's where you'll come in as well. You'll help me do that, and I will help you do that as well. So all the links are provided down below. Please get onto the Discord channel, get prepared with that code, and then we're going to help you into the advanced features. But for now, all you really need to do, log in and then click Earn Coins, roll the faucet, and just try to do that at least once a day. If you can do it 10 times a day, even better. But try to do it at least once a day. In between then and the time you will be meeting with us in the Discord channel, you should have a sizable amount of coins here. And we can help you get into some of the advanced features on the site and answer any questions you may have. You will be able to speak in that channel, ask any question you like, and we can help you out, all relating to this program called Cointiply. Now, I will be making some future videos about some other faucets that I use to generate some crypto. This one uses Bitcoin, but there are some other ones that I'd use that use a different cryptocurrency. We'll get into that as well. And also, I'll be showing you how to take your money that you earn and download it to a secure wallet. Now, you're going to want to do that in case of a disaster. You need the money on the merchant's website, because websites can get hacked and a lot of things can happen. It'll be a lot more secure in your possession. What I like to do is just leave a little bit. Leave about 25, 30 US dollars in Cointiply, because Cointiply does give you interest on your money that you leave here, a kind of a yearly interest paid, I think, weekly, I believe. It's not a lot, but it's enough to make me want to just keep some money there. And as well, I wanted to show you guys that this is not a scam, and you can definitely make money using this program. And I'm going to teach you how to do that, and hopefully you make more money than me. That's the goal. So thanks for watching, guys. All the links are down below. Make sure you get on our Discord channel, get the code, be ready to go for our training sessions. Also, please don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell so you stay up to date on on more income opportunities, and subscribe to the channel for more great content. See you all in the next video. Wizard of Cause out.